guys, so today I'm going to be doing a back to school clothing haul video for you guys. I'm going to be honest, I didn't buy everything during back to school time. Some of the stuff is from like April, but you know, let's just pretend I bought it during back to school time. So if I show a lot of clothes in this video, that's why, because all of the stuff has been bought since like April. Real quick, I want to give my Depop shop a quick plug. I am selling clothes on my Depop, and my Depop is at Skitty. It's going to be on the screen and it's going to be linked down below. And I'm selling some of my old clothes there, so if you guys want to get some clothes, check that out. So the first thing I got is a little bit more on the pricier side, and it is this Levi's denim jacket. This is the ex-boyfriend trucker jacket in a size small. I really love the fit of it. It's like oversized and it's just, I love it. It's oversized. I love the wash of it, and this was $50 I think, and I just got it from like a Levi's outlet store or something, and I think it was worth the 50 bucks because this is like a really nice basic piece, and if you guys know my fashion style, I'm all about the basics, so I like mixing and matching my clothes, and I think this is worth it. Next, I got some stuff from Amazon. You guys are probably thinking, girl, is she tweaking? Why are you buying clothes from Amazon? If you guys saw my last year's back to school clothing haul video, I bought a lot of Gildan hoodies and crew necks, and I wore them all the time last year. I love them, and this year I decided to get some more. They're really cheap, and I really like buying stuff that I can like mix and match in, like the essentials, you know. So first I got this forest green crew neck. This was $9.99 I think. This is from Hanes, and this is in a size small. It fits pretty big on me because it's a men's size, but I really like it. The color looks really nice, and it's pretty thick in my opinion. A lot of people buy like Champion hoodies and crew necks. Actually, I'm not even sure if Champion's still a thing anymore. I think that's over. But a lot of people like buying just like those branded hoodies, and I honestly don't really care about the brand, so that's why I bought these like just basic like Hanes and Gildan hoodies and crew necks. Next, I got this red hoodie from Hanes. It's in a size small. I think it was like 15 bucks. And I really like it. The color is really nice. And it's just another perfect like oversized fit. And I'll probably wear this all the time in school. The last hoodie I got is from Gildan, and it's just your basic black hoodie. It was 12 bucks, and it's in a size small. And you know, it's just your average hoodie, honestly. It doesn't have any branding on it, and I really like how it's super thick too. You guys, I live in Canada, and it does get kind of cold up here, so yeah. Next, I got some Adidas Slides. I know, super basic, but these are like 20 bucks, and I just thought, you know what, why not? I don't own a pair of slides, and these are in navy instead of black because they were sold out of black, so I just got the navy instead, and I really like them. The only shoe I wear to school is like Air Force Ones. I'm probably not going to wear these to school that often, but like, you know, when I feel like I'm in a rush and I just want to like slip on some slippers, you know, why not just wear these? And these were in size . From Uniqlo, I got two things. I bought these so long ago, but I thought, why not just put them in the video. I got this gray flannel. So this is actually a men's extra small, slim fit, like denim shirt or something. It's gray, and I really like wearing these over like t-shirts when it gets kind of cold. And I don't know, it's just another like basic clothing essential, which is basically what my closet consists of. Just basic t-shirts, like flannels, jackets, pants, like everything. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this was like $10 off or something, so it's pretty cheap. Next, I got a Supima cotton t-shirt, and this is also a men's t-shirt. This is size small, and it's just this really nice pretty like pale yellow. I really like the color of it. And this is like one of the most like high quality t-shirts like I own. They're really soft. And I really recommend, like, if you guys want like a plain t-shirt, go to Uniqlo. They're so soft. Next, I got a lot of t-shirts. If you guys watch my older videos, you know I own these for quite some time now, but I'm just going to show them in the haul video. So first, I got this black Tommy Hilfiger t-shirt. Fun fact, this is actually part of a men's pajama set. These are actually the pants that came with them. And by the way, these pajama pants are the most comfortable pants I have ever worn. They're so soft. So I think this was like 20 bucks for those pants and this t-shirt, and I really like it. It's in a size small, and it's just a nice black t-shirt. Next, I got this red striped t-shirt from Brandy Melville, and this is actually the only thing I own from Brandy Melville because that place is really expensive and I don't have the money for it. But I really like this, like the fit of this t-shirt, you know, it's like really wide and boxy, but also slightly cropped. This next t-shirt is actually my dad's. He was wearing it and I asked him where he got it and he was like, okay, just have it. I'm like, thanks, Dad. So it's just this nice little gray like Calvin Klein t-shirt. I believe my mom got it for 12 bucks or something at Winners or something. Like, it was pretty cheap and I really like it. It's in a men's size medium. It's pretty big, but I really like it. This next t-shirt is also from my dad. It's just this gray Hanes t-shirt. It's in a size medium, and I really like it. He has two of these, so he gave one to me. This next t-shirt was from Marshall's, and it was literally $3. I really like it. It's this nice yellow t-shirt with Washington on it. I think this is like the University of Washington or something. I'm not really sure, but I did go to Washington to get it. I live in Canada, but like one day like, we drove down to Washington and we did some shopping and I bought this t-shirt. Okay, this is my last t-shirt, but this is from Balloon Notes, and it's just this Canada Athletics t-shirt. It was like $5. It was supposed to be like a Canada Day special t-shirt, and I bought this like a month after Canada Day, so it was on sale. I don't know, I think it looks good, so I got it. It's in a men's medium as well. So this next clothing item is actually the most expensive clothing item I've ever bought. I bought this last year, and I really liked it, but I felt really bad because it was really expensive, so I returned it. And this year I decided to why not just buy it. So here they are. These are just the Lululemon Wonder Under high-rise leggings. I know 100, or this was not 100, well actually it was like 98 bucks or something, and 98 bucks is really expensive for leggings. But I'm going to be honest with you, during the winter when I'm wearing all my hoodies and crew necks, I only wear leggings. So I think it was worth it because I wore leggings so much last year, but like I had a really thin, like crappy leggings. So this year I decided to invest in a really nice pair of leggings. So this is the last clothing item in this video, and it's just these Bdg Mom Jeans from Urban Outfitters. This is in the size 24, and it was like 60 bucks or something. I got them in black instead of blue because I feel like I'm gonna wear black more often than blue. And I really like these mom jeans. I know they're just a trend, and I honestly did get them for a trend, but I really wanted some jeans that weren't like skinny jeggings, so I got these, and I really like it. I haven't been wearing them that often because it's summer, but I think I'm going to be wearing them more in the school year, and I really like them. It's this nice little like washed shade of black, and I think this is like a really nice size for me. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to check out my Instagram and my Depop because I'm selling a lot of my old clothes there. So check that out, link down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.